All right, we're going to look at some external structures of this eye model. And on your list, you have a limited number of structures. So some of this we're going to take away. I do want to point out before I remove this top area that this is the lacrimal gland. And when you look at this model, this side is lateral and this side is medial. So the lacrimal gland is superior and lateral. Okay. Now, what we're going to have is a few structures before we look at the muscle. So the white portion of the eye is called the sclera, and then there's an anterior transparent structure, and that is called the cornea. You can see the colored portion of the eye called the iris, and the hole in the center of that is the pupil. There are several different skeletal muscles that help us to control eye movement. 4 of them are called rectus muscles. They're on all 4 sides of the eye and they go straight back. We will also have 2 oblique muscles, but let's look at the rectus muscles first. The one on the medial side of the eye is called the medial rectus. The one on the top of the eye is called the superior rectus. The one on the lateral portion of the eye is called the lateral rectus. And underneath the eye, there's another one going back there. So inferior to the eye, we have the inferior rectus. So those are directly on the surface of the eye. Now we also have 2 oblique muscles. There is one that comes off the top of the eye here. So this is a ligament that connects to the orbital bone on the inside. And then this muscle continues back along the bone. That is the superior oblique, and this ligament would be connected here. Down at the bottom, there's another curved muscle, and that is called the inferior oblique. I also want to point out on the back side of this model, you can see the optic nerve going back from the eye.